We'll guide you through how to pair AirPods 4 to a PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because we can then go and have our sound from music, videos, and any sound output from the PC through these and go and use them. We're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure it's full guide and we're going to guide you through what you need to do. So to go and get started, you want to make sure both AirPods are in the case as they are here. Then what you want to do is you want to go and come to the bottom of your computer and you want to go and find the Windows Start button and click there, find settings. You can always use the search, or you can press search at the bottom and you can go and type in settings as well. Open them up. Now what you need to do is come over to the left and find the option for Bluetooth and devices. You need to have a Bluetooth adapter for this to work. Some PCs are going to have them built into the motherboard, or they may go and be plugged in. If you don't have the option for switching on Bluetooth here, you'll need to get a Bluetooth adapter. We'll go and link some different ones on Amazon below. They are affiliate links which support the channel at no extra cost. But with them, that'll then go and act as a Bluetooth adapter, which we need. Now, what you can do is go and press add device here or add device here, it doesn't matter. And you'll get a pop-up and you want to select Bluetooth. Now, what we need to do here is go and put the AirPods into pairing mode. So open them up, and what you need to do is go and double tap the green light. Then you hear a sort of blink sound, and you want to go and see that it's glowing white. This means it's now in pairing mode. So what you can then do is they should go and appear. Otherwise, you can go and press cancel and add device again just to go and refresh the list. And as you can see, here they are. You can click on them and we've now connected. The AirPods will make a sound and they're now ready to go. So we can press done and that's it. Now, sound is going to come through them. It's that simple. If you find sound isn't, press system to the left, find sound, and make sure that the AirPods are selected in output. And that should be it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again with more.